In this video, I'll show you how to change your Samsung Galaxy phone from the standard 12-hour clock to the 24-hour time format. If you've ever wanted your phone to display the time as 1300, 1400, or 1800 instead of 1 p.m., 2 p.m., or 6 p.m., you're in the right place. The process only takes a few seconds, and I'll walk you through every step. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap General Management. Now, select Date and Time. Here you'll see the option called Use 24-hour Format. Simply turn on the toggle next to it. That's it. Your Samsung phone will now display time in the 24-hour format. For example, after 12 p.m., the time will appear as 1300, 1400, and so on. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same setting and turn the option off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips and tutorials.